Hi friends, this is Gwen. Thank you for joining me today. I have a special, how do I say this? It was my birthday yesterday. I guess I'll start with that. And my friends and my family just spoiled me so much. I had to share all of the wonderful gifts that they gave me yesterday. So I'm going to start with this wrapping paper. Are you kidding me? My daughter wrapped her gifts to me in this wrapping paper, and I, squealed with joy. I saw all the possible things I could do with this. I was happy with the wrapping paper. Of course, her gifts were wonderful, but I was so excited for this wrapping paper. All my little trash pandas on there, they just were saying, hi, happy birthday. Um, she also gave me, I have to show you, this cute trash panda ring. Can you see him? I just love him. So I will be sporting that in my videos. You'll be seeing a lot of him. So that was a fun gift, as well as she was like, okay, Mom, you probably already have these, but I didn't. So I've got some great little Trash Panda stamps that I can use on some of the books I have planned that are coming up. And check this out. They must have gotten together because my other daughter gave me the Misty stamp set. So Lori at Petey Pie Designs has a wonderful tutorial on how to use these properly. So I definitely will be going back and reviewing her video on the correct way to use these. So that'll be fun. I have never done any card making, so I'm excited. I think that that will be the tool that will help me out on that. Okay, and of course the girls, my daughters, they were so sweet. They gave me so many thoughtful gifts, but I really wanted to share these with you because I knew in our crafting community that you guys would get my excitement with those. Okay, I next want to share with you my friend Misty at Mystical Misty 1 and 2. Look what she found for me. These are hilarious. They are cards, and I have peeked at these already and just had so much fun looking at all the wonderful pictures of all the trash pandas, and they're just so great. I love this. So I've had fun with these. I know there's way too many to share everything with you, but I just wanted to give you an idea. They certainly know me. I am the trash witch trying to make some magic out of some trash. So, oh, I just love these, Misty. Thank you so much. Every little picture is just so perfect. So you can imagine how excited I was when I saw these. Another one of my friends, Audrey, over at oh shoot, Audrey, I'm drawing a blank. See, that's what happens when you get a year older. Okay, I will link Audrey's channel, but I know she has this deck also, and she did text me and say, you're gonna love these, and I do. Thank you so much, Misty. These are so fun. Love it. Okay, next I want to share with you. This is from Tony at Tony's Witchy Art and Crafts. And oh my gosh, this is my card from Tony. But when she creates, she just makes magic. All of the detail, how she layers the different fabrics and textures that she can get. It's just beautiful. It's just so, so pretty. So this was my card, and she wrote me a nice little note wishing me a happy birthday. So I appreciate her wishes. But look at all the fun things that she included in her birthday card to me. I just love this. Isn't that so cute? And then again, she's layered, and Tony does detail like no other. Like there is just shiny details everywhere. I don't know. I can't do that. It's just so cool the way she can work with teeny tiny things. And her miniatures are so beautiful. If you haven't seen them, you really need to go over to her channel and look at all of the miniatures she's made. This is an altered paper clip. I just love this. So pretty. And then, oh, this one is gorgeous too. Look at this. Oh, I should have opened the packages, maybe had them all ready for you. But you have to see. Okay. Uh-oh. Tony, what have we done here? Okay. Oh, you really can't see. But it's just so beautiful. Look at that. And the little gems and that beautiful butterfly. It's so pretty. Why can't I get this open? I think it's taped is what it is. Oh, wait. I think I have it. I do. Okay. Because you have to see it. It's just too pretty. There we go. There we go. So beautiful. Look at that pretty sparkly paper. I love it, Tony. Thank you so much. So this was from my friend Tony, and I will link her channel also because you just need to see all the beautiful work that she does. She is such an artist. And I have this butterfly. We don't want to forget him. How cute is he all layered up? So pretty. Okay. Thank you, Tony. I love it. All right, next I got some wonderful birthday happy mail from Bex over at Black Whisper Crafts. And Bex and I laugh because we don't make cards, but she made this card and it's so perfect. I love it. So I don't think you can say you don't make cards, Bex, because this is beautiful. And then look at this. This is so 100% Bex style. I love it. So this is my little message from Bex. Perfect. You would know in a second that that was from her. And look at this goodie bag she sent me. I have to admit, I peeked. You know, it came on my birthday and I'm like, I'm opening it. I can't wait. But I definitely put it all back in so you could see. Beautiful gold eyelash trim. This was how it was all wrapped up. And then you're not going to believe all these goodies. Oh, I've got some bats. And this is all in Beck style. Just so wonderful. She's just really branded such a wonderful style for everything she makes. And it's just so fun. I love it. Oh, okay. Again, I apologize. I should have gotten these out for you. But you really have to see. And again, Bex does the same thing. They work with tiny pieces. And it's just so beautiful. The detail, this gold thread, the layering on the lace. Oh my gosh, look, it's both sides. Smiling is the most basic kind of piecework. Beautiful. Oh, I love this. And then again, I've got some of these cool bats. I love that. Oh, look at this one. Okay. Thank you, friends, for being so patient. Why I really get these out for us so we can appreciate all the detail and the talent that goes into creating such wonderful pieces. Look, this is on a ticket. Oh, and she's got these copper staples. I mean, nothing is missed. Every single detail. I love that. So cool. Okay, and then these bigger pieces. This is on an envelope, and I know Bex does dine with tea and coffee, so she gets a real special coloring with it. Isn't that so neat? Oh, I'm going to have so much fun working with these. And it's stuffed, the envelope had this beautiful piece in it. Just so neat, and it's backed. Perfect for journaling. Is there more in here? No, I'm just filling the outside. And then I have to say, everything smells so good. I don't know what it is in your house, Bex, but it just came with this wonderful aroma. It was so fun. Look at this tag, you guys. Look at the detail on this. So pretty. And this paper, I was looking at this paper. I've watched Bex create a lot of the embellishment pieces, but I don't remember watching this one. I don't know how I might have missed it, but there's texture on here. So she's layered this with some inks or paints. I'm gonna have to go back and see what you did on this, because this has a really neat texture to it. So pretty. And then we have this. Look at how cute this is, guys. This is a pocket. So cute. Oh, see, Captain agrees. He loves it too. All right, Captain, you can wait for Mom. And we have this beautiful one. Look at this. Another envelope. Oh, so sorry, guys. Captain. He's decided he's the new guard dog of the house. He's definitely feels he has to keep me safe. Look at the stamping, the texture of the paper. So pretty. Oh, and I love the lines back here to journal on. Oh, look, this has a little die of a spider web. And the creepy cloth back here. So neat. This one's hard. Yeah, that's one. Oh, Captain, that was me. That wasn't anyone knocking. Oh, sorry, guys. He heard me tap on this. One thing's for sure about my dogs. Their ears are fine. So, oh, this is so pretty. I'm going to keep this out. I love these envelopes. Isn't that neat? Okay. Oh, her coffin tags. Yes, I do remember seeing this one, this video. Guys, all of these things she has videos up for making all of these embellishment pieces. So I'll, if I haven't said this already, I'll definitely link her channel, because you can go and watch how all of these are made. More stamp work. And this is the last pocket here, and full of so many goodies. Every detail, every piece of her work is she's done something to. It's just perfection. So pretty. Oh, and look at this. Look how she used, I'm assuming this is an envelope with the window and the music paper behind. Does this come out? Oh, it does. Look at this. Oh, I didn't see this the other day, yesterday when I opened it. Oh, wonderful. Look at that. That's so fun. Wow. I'm just overwhelmed. I have just met the nicest friends on our crafting community channels. And these are some of my first friends that I made actually before I even started my channel, that encouraged me to do so. And I just love them. They're just the nicest people, so full of sharing and support, and just everything good you would want from a friend. And I just thank you all so much. I'll be honest, I wasn't feeling 100% yesterday. Isn't that the way it goes? You know, you can't control your health, but I'm fine. I had a great day anyway, even though I wasn't feeling 100%, because of all the love and just the sweet birthday wishes that I received. It was a great day. And thank you so much, everyone, for watching the video today and celebrating with me and all the wonderful things that I was blessed with yesterday. And I'll show you my ring one more time. I just love my ring. Isn't it perfect for me? Have a wonderful day, everyone. And I wish all wonderful things to you. And thank you so much for everyone and your friendship and supporting my channel. I really appreciate you all. So, okay, signing off for now, and I will see you all very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.